Alright, that's the prep done. So moving on to my favorite part of any painting, which is the background, which I do wet in wet. This means that you wet the entire background first with clean water and then you drop in colors, making it easier for the colors to blend and merge together, getting that lovely watercolor effect. We'll then move to our palette, and with my number 10 round, so the bigger brush, I'm grabbing some of that cerulean blue, quite watered down. I want it quite light. Back on my painting, I swipe in some blue color, going from left to right with curved brush strokes. I'm not going too dark and I'm leaving some white paper in between. And I'm making sure that I'm painting also in the corners that the tape makes, because that tends to be where the paint stops automatically, and I want to make sure that you see paint everywhere. When I'm happy with that, I come back in with a slightly darker paint and I swipe in a few curved strokes here as well. I blend them out a little where they're too harsh, but the effect that I'm trying to make is of sweeping clouds. Now I'll move back to my palette and I grab some sap green, and I'm keeping this quite watery as well, quite light.